Hi everyone, and I have one question, one important question that today we'll solve this question. Okay, let first we'll see the question. What is in the question they have written? In the question they have written, the professor is currently oriented towards the north, while Tokyo finds herself in a direction situation facing the south as Tokyo's guardian angel. The professor is determined to provide assistance to achieve this. The professor must adhere to set instructions outline in a string denoted as S with the length of n. Based on this instruction, the professor has the option to either turn left or right. The ultimate goal is to ensure that after following a specific sequence, the instruction the professor orientation matches Tokyo direction. The crucial question arises: can the professor successfully rescue Tokyo, aligning their orientation? Okay, I will tell you the first. I will tell you the question what they have written. Uh, what will happen? There is one function they will pass. One is a string, and second thing they will pass you the Tokyo direction. Okay, okay, and okay, let me explain the things one more time. They will give they'll provide one function, and in the function they will provide two parameters. One is they will provide two parameters. One is one, they will provide you a string, and second thing they will provide you uh, Tokyo direction, and after that we need to find out in the basically the question is they'll provide you initial position. They have provide north, and what we need to find, like they provide a string, like in a way, like first we need to left, right, right, left, right, right, anything they will provide. They have given to us. And what we need to do, the professor will take first they will take left, after that they will take right, after that they will take right, they will take left, they will take right, they will take right, and at the last, we need to find the professor position is match with the Tokyo position or not. If they will the professor position and Tokyo position both are same, that means they will return true, and if both are not matched, that return false. I hope you have understood the questions. I will tell you one more time what is the question. Question is that they have provide two parameters. One is strings. In the strings they have given they have given the set of instruction, like how many left, how many right you need to take. And once you understood how many instructions they have given, and they have also given the Tokyo direction. If Tokyo direction, and first you are standing at the north, after that you are following these kind of instructions. At the last, we need to find Tokyo direction and your direction both are same or not. If professor direction is facing to the Tokyo, that means professor will save the Tokyo. And if professor direction is not towards the Tokyo, that means they will not be able to solve the problem. Okay, let us see what would be the approach, how we can solve this problem. Our approach is simple. uh, we'll What we can do, first first thing we'll set initial position is equal to north in the question they have given. And second thing we can do, we'll create a direction and dictionary. In the direction dictionary, what we can do, like if north is given, and what we can do, if they will take left, it will be, if somebody is standing towards north and if they are taking left, that means uh, they go west. And if they will take a right, if they will take right, where they will go, they will go. If somebody is standing towards north and if they are taking right, it will go east. Okay. Uh, like that. Okay, like that. If somebody's direction is north, if they are taking left, they will go west. If they are taking right, if they will go east. and if they are facing east, if they are taking left, they will go north, and if they are taking right, they will go south. If they are taking south, like I hope you understood the dictionary. You can imagine yourself. You can think of like you are standing towards north, and if you are taking right, left, and right, what would be the your situation? Okay, and after that, what we need to what we need to do? We need to what we need to do? We need to, like, first we need to clear things, and after that I will tell you what we need to do. Third step, our third step would be, our third step would be our third step would be the string. You do you remember, like, we have given strings. Uh, we have to instruction, like whatever the string value have, it will go into instruction. And after that, like, professor position is equal to, what would be the professor position? Professor position with the direction, that direction, initial position, and second thing is initial position, and second thing is w- this instruction. Okay, uh, i- if they are doing, they will, once this loop will complete, we'll be getting professor final position, like where they are looking, like if they are looking in north, south, east, west, where they are looking. And at the last, will simply return professor direction is equal to Tokyo direction. If professor direction and Tokyo direction both are equal, it will return true. If professor direction and Tokyo direction that are not matching, it will return false. I hope you understood the approach, how we need to code it out. Let's see in the actual things how we have coded. I will explain you line by line. uh, they have given like one function that name is can rescue Tokyo. They have given one string, and they have also given Tokyo direction and professor direction. And in the question it already states that it's a north, and we have taken one dictionary. If they are I have already explained you about dictionary, but I will explain you one more time. If they are facing north, if they are taking left, it goes west. If they are taking right, it goes east. If they are taking like if they are standing towards east, if they are taking left, it will be north, and if they are taking right, it will be south. In the same way, like if they are standing towards south, it will take left, it will go east. If they are taking right, it will go west. You can imagine yourself, or like if and you have, if you want to understood how we have written the direction. Now we have taken one for loop for instruction in s, like whatever the value of s, it goes each and every single element to the instruction. And professor orientation is equal to direction, professor orientation, and after that instruction. I will explain this line, how this will work. Like in the direction, professor orientation, first the professor orientation is north. That means it goes here north. And after that instruction, like let's suppose if instruction it has come left, that means it goes west. And in the second time, uh, it goes here. If they are taking left, it goes south. Like this will work in a way. And after that, once this for loop will be completed, we'll be getting a final professor orientation. And at the last, like professor orientation equal to Tokyo direction. If both are equal, that means it will return true. If both are not equal, it will return false. And as we have given some example, like how we can uh, use this course. Like we have taken one strings, we have passed in certain sets of instructions, and we have taken Tokyo direction is south. if can rescue Tokyo direction, we are calling this function S, or we are passing south direction. If that will return true, this line will be printed. The professor can successfully rescue Tokyo. If this line will not return false, the professor will not be able to rescue Tokyo. And if you are running this profession, the professor can successfully rescue Tokyo. If you are removing, like, let's suppose we have removed one S, this time, uh, what will happen? The professor cannot rescue Tokyo with the given instruction. I hope you understood the question. If you understood this question, and if you understood my approach, you can uh, like this video, and you can also subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.